Have you ever wondered what makes a story exciting? Why do we love some characters more than others? It's all about their personalities. Just like you and me, characters have feelings, thoughts, and ways of acting that make them special. Think about your favorite book or movie. What makes the main character so interesting? Are they brave like a superhero? Are they kind and always helping others? Or maybe they're super smart and solve mysteries? These are all examples of personality traits. In today's video, we will learn what trait means and we will see some examples. So get ready to dive into the exciting world of character creation.
Traits are characteristics or qualities that describe how someone or something typically acts, feels, or behaves. These can be physical traits, like having blue eyes or being tall, or personality traits, like being shy, talkative, or funny. Today, we will focus on personality traits. A personality trait might be kindness, meaning someone is often helpful and caring towards others. In stories, traits help us understand more about characters, what they are like, how they might act, and how they relate to other characters. Do you want to see some examples? Let's meet our heroes. First up is Miss Kindness. She's a bright and cheerful young girl who loves to help. Miss Kindness is always the first one to lend a hand, whether it's helping a friend with homework or rescuing a lost puppy. Kindness is her superpower. Next, we have Mr. Smart. He is a bit shy, but he's incredibly intelligent. He loves to read books and figure out how things work. When faced with a problem, Mr. Smart uses his brain power to find a solution. And finally, we have Mr. Bravery, the bravest boy you'll ever meet. Mr. Bravery isn't afraid of anything. He's always ready to face danger and protect his friends. Whether it's a thunderstorm or a creepy crawly bug, Mr. Bravery faces it all with a smiley face.
In a story, traits changes the course of events. So, let's see these traits in action. Picture this. One sunny afternoon, Miss Kindness, Mr. Smart, and Mr. Bravery were playing in the park when they heard a loud meow. A tiny kitten was stuck in a tree.
Miss Kindness, always kind, wanted to help immediately. She tried to reach the kitten, but the branch was too high.
Mr. Smart, using his intelligence, quickly scanned the area. We need something tall and sturdy, he thought. Mr. Smart spotted a ladder nearby and with Miss Kindness's help, carefully positioned it against the tree, but the kitten was too scared to come down.
That's when Mr. Bravery kicked in. He climbed the ladder with a confident jump and gently took the kitten down. The kitten felt safe with Mr. Bravery and climbed onto his back. Mr. Bravery carefully climbed down the ladder, bringing the kitten to safety.
It was a team effort. They were all worried about the cat.
Mr. Bravery, Miss Kindness, and Mr. Smart were proud of themselves. They learned that by working together and using their unique traits, they could overcome any challenge. Bravery, kindness, and intelligence, these qualities, when combined, made them a true team of heroes.
And you know what's amazing? These qualities aren't just for storybook characters. They can be found in everyone, including us.
Now it's your turn. Close your eyes and imagine your own characters. What do they look like? What are their names? What makes them special? Do they have the courage of a lion, the gentleness of a butterfly, or the wisdom of an owl?
Remember, the best characters have a mix of different traits. Don't be afraid to give your characters flaws too. Nobody's perfect, and that's what makes us all interesting.
Get creative, have fun, and let your imagination soar. The world is waiting for your stories and the amazing characters you will create.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more content. See you in the next one.